All right, I'm going to walk through a simple demonstration of the Duro and Valispace integration. So to get started, connect your Valispace account with your Duro account. You go to integrations, you see Valispace, and then through the wizard here, you can add your credentials. Fill those in, hit connect. And if everything's good, you should see it's connected. And so then now, when you go to the component library, you'll see there's another option to import from Valispace. And so in my Valispace account, I have a little ground station subassembly that I want to pull in. Go to import from Valispace. Training. Satellite. Select my project. And then I'll see the full list of components available. Here I'll expand this. And here I can see the thumbnails get pulled in, description, the last time it was modified, if there are any documents attached to the components in Valispace, you can see the total number of documents here. So in this case, I'm just going to pick these three. Hit continue. And then for Duro, since it's category driven, we have to assign categories for each of these components in order for them to be created. So for the ground station, I'll just pick a subassembly, antenna. I'll do as fabricated metal, and the transmitter I'll pick as RF. Go ahead and import. Successful. And here we go. The three components were picked. I can pick the parent one, the ground station, and you can see in the assembly tab, the entire assembly tree is accurately represented. Thumbnails are pulled in. Then I have a link back to the Valispace component, so I can quickly open that up. And you can see now in the Valispace, there's a part number assigned the Duro CPM. The next, I can see here, for example, the transmitter had a data sheet attached to it. Let's go down to the transmitter. And on the documents, you can see the data sheet was pulled in. And if I need to, I can change that. Instead of a specification, I can change that to a data sheet. Hit save. And then next, I want to show how fields like the mass automatically get updated. So in the transmitter, on the properties page, I can see the mass has a requirement of a min 50 grams and max 100 grams. Current value is 0, so it violates that requirement. So as I'm assigning components, parts, and assemblies in Duro, either directly in the web client or through one of our CAD integrations that pulls in the mass value, Valispace will automatically get updated. So in this case, let's say the mass is 75 grams. Save. And I go back to the Valispace component, and you can see it live updates, and now it meets the requirements. Further, if you go to, let's say, the ground station requirements, so here the requirements are to stay within 100 to 200 grams. And so if we go back to the ground station through the where used modal, I can see that Duro automatically starts to accumulate the mass of all the children. So it's a 75 grams. And so, but let's just say I now know that the final total weight It's 275. Hit save. Come back to the ground station. It's 275. It's violated. I make a change to bring it back into spec. Let's say the mask gets updated. It's 175. You can see here it got updated to 175, and now the error has gone away.